Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 15, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Second row, third row, on column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, on third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column E, second row, third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, second row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column G, column E, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 1. 7th row, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, only one number remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. 5th row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Then only one number remaining, 5. 3 and 4 will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. 4th row and 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 6th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, we get 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 3. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column J, second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. Column B, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 10th row, 9th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.